What's happening, peeps? You're here with a homeowner's handyman Ranger today. Contract Black, Red Black, Sassy C, and C Money is here as well. We are here at the Clark Center where you have seen us do previous videos. We painted like the residential hall. We've done the commons area where they have businesses. And now we're on the rooftop. You've also seen a video where we redid this deck. So today, let's show you what we have here. We have brand new light fixtures and 2 ceiling fans. 2 ceiling fans and 13 light fixtures. We're going to be replacing these 2 ceiling fans right above my head. And this is a kitchenette. This is one of the properties we help maintain and take care of. They have a beautiful little kitchenette to come eat your breakfast, just to get away. And they have a nice gazebo deck out here. As you see the guys out there, that's the lights we're going to be changing. Let's go here and I'll show you. We're going to be changing lights right here, 3, and then down here on this nice rooftop deck. This is a very nice area where you can just kind of chill, sit, grill out for the people that live here in this residence. So, stay tuned.
Oh, y'all got great.
We're going to be changing all these lights out. All 13 of these lights is going to be changed to this very new light fixtures. And one of you people, check out this view. This is a very, very nice spot. You're right here downtown in the heart of Chattanooga, right next to the Choo Choo. And if anybody knows about Chattanooga, you know what the Choo Choo is. So stay tuned with us, and you're working with a homeowner's handyman today.
I tell Red to go get me some strippers. This ain't gonna work. You know what I'm saying? Look, that don't even make sense. Don't turn that camera on, camera shot. Oh yeah. Ground a little bit. Oh my lord, lucky there. Oh my god. Are you Usher now?
Usher your ass into the past.
Oh, I went to the past before. It's right next to the future. I heard I'm only touching one. If you only touch one, it's not gonna get you. All these are gonna be thinking that
on, everybody? Sassy C back here, and today we're wrapping up on these lights. We actually got them all on. I was having trouble with 2 of them, but we figured it out. And as you can see, we got all the lights up and on. About forgot that. I always clean up your job site, people. You never want a dirty job site after you're done. But yeah, we got those lights up. We got these lights on down here. I'll walk down this long bridge here and show you these lights. And we also put up 2 fans in this kitchenette, people. Right here, we did these 3 lights. And we did these 2 fans. 2 fans. This fucking styrofoam everywhere. It's sticking the shit. This is Sassy C. We got 2 more lights to put up.
This is static, see?
Yeah. See you in a minute.